One of the things na I was craving back in Korea na never kong mahanap doon is kamyas or kalamyas. I also have a tub of salt with me. I'm so excited, naglalaway ako. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang juicy niya kasi. Alam mo, parang sarap niyang gawing kimchi. Try ko. Ayun lang. Bye!